When you travel by air, you expect safety and convenience at a reasonable price and without delays. Whether you are a pilot, a passenger, or aviation executive, 20 years from now you will still expect that, even with a doubling in traffic. But you won't get it unless there are major changes to today's national airspace system. That's why the FAA is working with public and private partners on the next generation air transportation system. The FAA is also working with international partners to make sure NextGen is compatible with similar efforts around the world. NextGen transforms the way America flies. It uses 21st century technologies to move you from city to city safely, without delay, while reducing aviation's environmental impact. Aviation has outgrown the air traffic infrastructure established 50 years ago when jet engines and radar were new.
When the signals hit an object, such as an airplane,
it's a ground-based system that's used for navigation, for aircraft positioning. It's labor-intensive. It uses voice for communications, radar for surveillance. NextGen is going to be fundamentally different. Satellites for navigation and aircraft positioning, automatic dependent surveillance broadcast, data communications, greater use of modern information technology.
Today, delays in the system cost the users of the system at least $9 billion per year, and that's only going to grow as we move into the future. Some estimates say that by 2025, delays could cost $22 billion per year.
What's needed now is a nimble approach to safely and efficiently handle increased traffic and new types of aircraft while minimizing the environmental impact. The good news is, it's already happening. One component of NextGen is a satellite-based technology called Automatic Dependent Surveillance Broadcast, or ADS-B. ADS-B offers broader coverage and is more precise than radar, which allows for greater capacity by separating planes more efficiently. ADS-B is already in use at the UPS hub in Louisville. It will soon make its debut in the Miami area, followed by Philadelphia. ADS-B is also being installed in the Gulf of Mexico, which lacks radar coverage. ADS-B will allow thousands of helicopters to operate more safely among oil rigs. NextGen also has environmental benefits. It allows the pilot to fly the most efficient route possible, reducing fuel usage, emissions, and noise, as well as reducing travel time.
The ability to not have long queues at the airport with engines running, putting out pollution into the air, will be able to get aircraft to the end of the runway, off, on their way, and landed as quickly as possible, which is going to be a huge environmental advantage to the way we do things now.
Today, aircraft are enjoying NextGen benefits through the use of satellite-based navigation. Area navigation, or RNAV, uses onboard avionics so planes can fly more direct and precise paths. Required navigation performance builds upon RNAV. It allows pilots to use more precise navigation on arrival and departure, decreasing taxi time, ground delays, and miles flown. Old airspace technology restricts aircraft to the equivalent of a one-lane highway for a given route. NextGen adds more lanes, which helps remove choke points that can be the source of delays at multiple airports. Weather accounts for 70% of flight delays. NextGen increases capacity and improves reliability with new approaches to weather. Data communications and network-enabled weather will allow better coordination to resolve critical weather issues using a shared common weather picture. By combining advanced traffic flow management tools with readily accessible weather information, delays will be reduced and system capacity increased. NextGen builds on newly installed runway safety technology.
ASDX allows us to not only know where every aircraft on the surface of the airport is, it has technology in it that allows conflict alert for us, so that in case an aircraft is rolling through a hold short line, It will actually give an alert to the controller. Huge safety benefit. Runway status lights at the airport will allow the pilot in the cockpit to know if the runway is occupied. Huge safety advantage. These technologies are here now.
Bottom line, NextGen is transforming all three components of traffic: the airport, the aircraft, and air traffic control. The distance between where we are and where we want to go shrinks every day as proven technology is put into place.
As this new capability becomes more pervasive, the price is going to drop. It's going to be like the price drop we've seen with computers. Well, the more that are produced, the larger the production base, the lower the price gets.
The building blocks are in place. Now all of us need to go the distance. The next generation of flight is underway.